Infinix Inbook X1 Pro review. Everything you need. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss Infinix Inbook X1 Pro review. The Infinix Inbook X1 Pro is a newer version of an Infinix phone that is designed to be an ultra-portable laptop. It offers Windows 10 Home for effortless compatibility with existing apps and files, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB storage, 14-inch FHD IPS touchscreen display, fast connectivity via Wi-Fi AC/B/G/N/A+C, Bluetooth 5.0 LE, and a micro USB port for charging. If you're looking for an honest review of Infinix Inbook X1 Pro, then you've come to the right place. We have checked every single thing about the new Infinix Inbook X1 Pro. After reviewing its hardware components, display, design, and other features, we decided to make a detailed review video regarding it, so that you can understand what to expect and what not to expect with this notebook. We have created this video after carrying out extensive research. The experts at Laptop Lingo have gone through the expert reviews and customers' point of views to review this product. However, if you want more information, then you can check out the link to the Infinix Inbook X1 Pro that we have mentioned in this video's description box. Before starting, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications for amazing tech videos on this channel. Make sure to leave a like on this video as well. Now let's get into this video. Display of Infinix Inbook X1 Pro. The first thing that I noticed about the Infinix Inbook X1 Pro was its display characteristics. The screen is a 14-inch IPS LCD made by BOE. It's surrounded by narrow side bezels and a bit of a hefty chin. The 1080p display has a decent contrast ratio for a budget laptop. It hits 300 nits of peak brightness, so it won't perform too well under sunlight, and it uses an sRGB color space to produce a wider gamut. The Inbook X1 Pro can also be tilted to an extreme 180 degrees. Furthermore, the screen offers a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels with a 100% sRGB color in brilliant detail and brightness levels that go up to 300 nits. Therefore, the screen delivers sharper images with more detailed and immaculate natural colors. Design of Infinix Inbook X1 Pro. The Infinix Inbook X1 Pro has a sandblasted anodized body made out of aluminium material. It is portable, sleek, and flat, measuring 16.3mm thickness and weighs 1.48 kilograms. When opened, this laptop hosts a large 14-inch screen with narrow bezels of around 4.19mm around the screen, thus resulting in the 90% screen-to-body ratio, which allows for a wide viewing angle. Furthermore, Infinix Inbook X1 Pro has a 180-degree hinge that allows you to open the laptop almost all the way back. This hinge holds firmly the screen to my base. Performance of Infinix Inbook X1 Pro. Now, the Infinix Inbook X1 Pro is equipped with the 10th generation Intel Core processors. It's available in 3 variants, which include the Intel Core i3 105G1, Core i5 1035G1, and Core i7 1065G7 models, coupled with the Intel's Iris Plus graphics chipset. Now, these chips are based on Intel's 10nm Ice Lake architecture, and they offer impressive performance. The Intel Core i3 105G1 is the base model, clocked at 1.2, boosted up to 3.4 GHz at turbo boost. It's got 2 cores, 4 caches, and 4 threads. In addition, the Intel Core i5 135G1 has a base frequency of 1 GHz up to 3.5 GHz of maximum turbo frequency. It also has 4 cores, 6 caches, and 8 threads. Lastly, the premium model with Intel Core i7 1065G7 has a 1.3 GHz base frequency, which offers up to 3.9 GHz turbo boost. It also has 4 cores, 8 caches, and 8 threads, thus offering the highest boost in performance. RAM and storage. The next thing is the RAM offered by this notebook. The Infinix Inbook X1 Pro provides 2 RAM variants. You can either get it with 8 GB of RAM, or you can get it with the 16 GB RAM as well. It really depends on your own preference. Graphics card. The Infinix Inbook X1 Pro is equipped with Intel Iris Plus graphics that will provide good quality visuals. Okay, well, to be honest, I was expecting a little bit extra in terms of graphics, but still the Intel Iris Plus graphics won't disappoint you. You can still do gaming on this device without any hassle. Ports and connectivity. For seamless connectivity, the Inbook X1 Pro has no lack of ports. Counting interface, there are 5 ports in total found on the right side: a microSD reader, a 3.5mm audio jack, USB-A 2.0 and 3.0, HDMI, and to ensure privacy, a physical switch for the front camera. Operating system and extras. The laptop is loaded with a Windows 10 operating system that will be good for most users. With Windows 10 operating system, you can play your favorite games and run your favorite applications on this laptop on the go. Other than the Windows 10 operating system, this laptop also offers Office 365 applications preloaded in it. That's why if you're going to use this device for professional work, then you don't have to download work-related apps all over again. Battery life. Infinix Inbook X1 Pro comes with 55-watt li-polymer battery, rated up to last up to 13 hours of comprehensive battery life, or 8 hours of video playback, allowing you to enjoy the big screen video life and satisfy the small desire to catch up on TV shows. Price. Infinix Inbook X1 Pro price starts at around $530 and will be available at leading global online stores like Jumia, AliExpress, GearBest, and many more. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. And as always, we will see you in the following video.